if you're looking to actually start up your brick and mortar warehouse detail shop, rip clean setup, vacuum setup, m- it's modular equipment, meaning if your hose breaks, you can easily replace it and go buy one within 30 minutes to an hour, depending on where you live or how your roads are. But I always tell people you should have, if it's you, you should have two of everything. That way, if the first thing goes out, you can immediately swap it out and get get the unused, unopened package, cool, like a rip clean. Your second one is just right there, rather than you have one rip clean, it breaks, and let's say you don't live in a area that is so nice and giving like my area is, where I can fix this stuff in an hour and be back to work. You should have two of everything. I have two of everything for myself. And then when I hire somebody, I'm gonna have to have four of everything, because I just don't want to be in a situation of, yeah, you can't work. So I don't know what you're gonna do here for the next couple days until the new part gets in. So always think like that. Think with the end in mind. If something breaks, are you able to keep working? It was like 1,400, $1,600 unit, and the sprayer went out, so I had to buy a new sprayer. And then the extractor head broke, and then the um, vacuum part broke, and it got to a point of I'm having to buy for one system three of everything. So like one machine, I would have three different pumps, three different vacuum replacements. I had only one extra heater to swap out if that one burnt out, and it got to the point of I can't keep doing this. And especially ordering pumps from Alaska. That's where it's hard for me here, is I don't live near a pump store. I don't have a pump store for replacements as easy as somebody else might. I don't have easy access to new heater parts replacements. So it was very expensive replacements and then very long wait times. I had to like wait 10 days for a pump to get here. 7 days for a vacuum to get here, vacuum motor to get here. So swapping to this was a no brainer.